Welcome to the tutorial of making of a Bibbidi Bobbidi book cover. So this is chipboard. I cut it into two pieces that are 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and the spine is 3 inches by 8.5 inches. I place all of these pieces side by side on a piece of duct tape, leaving a small space in between the spine and the top and the bottom. And this is so that the book is able to bend and close. And then I fold up the duct tape. Once in a while, I will put a piece of duct tape in the center as well. Now this is the fabric I'm going to use for the cover. And I use matte Mod Podge. And so I just lay the fabric down to size. I do cut the corners of the fabric, and this helps for the corners to not be so bulky with fabric. So I Mod Podge one side, then I Mod Podge the spine, then the other side. Now on the inside, I only do a couple at a time because Mod Podge dries fast. I fold in the corner, then do a side, and then fold in the other corner. Once in a while, I do have to add Mod Podge to the underside of one of the corners, and you'll see that here, so that it stays right there, so that it sticks a little bit better. And I do this all the way around. And this is how I create the beginning part of the cover of my Bibbidi Bobbidi books. So I'll show you more as we go along. This beautiful one is going to be going up soon. Have a great day.